Hi all, welcome to Workouts While Working. I am Priyanka Shah. Today we are going to cater a special request made by Miss Sandhya Sharma. So first of all, thank you for that request. So she has requested for a video for glowing skin. So basically yoga for glowing skin. So there are so many things that can be done in facial yoga, or maybe the poses or the exercises which can give you the glowing skin overall. Today we are just going to see the basics of it. Okay, so let's begin. But before that, if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to YouTube channel, follow and like the Facebook page as well. Okay, let's begin. So yeah, just before I say anything, so these are the exercises, or maybe the facial yoga as it is widely, the term widely used is for these exercises. But you have to make sure that you are having a valid balanced diet, you are keeping yourself well hydrated, so that it will give you glowing skin, and then you are doing these exercises as well. Okay, so let's begin. Some of these are like very simple, and you might seem like no, they are funny, but yeah, they actually work on your facial muscles, and in turn you get your blood circulation done in the face and give you glowing skin. First, what we are going to do is basically what we'll be doing, we'll just have air in our cheeks, and then we will just keep it there for say few seconds, and we'll lock it. So I'm just going to show it once and then we'll repeat it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm taking a deep breath, and then I'm pulling in air in my cheeks. Remember, in cheeks, not here, okay, not near like ears. And then I'll be staying in that pose by locking it here, and then I'll be slowly releasing it. Okay, so let's start. You can stay as much time as you are comfortable. If you are beginner, you might stay like for 5 seconds or so, but gradually you can increase this time up to 20 seconds. Let's do it once again. So what you are going to do is you are just pulling it air in the cheeks, and then you are staying it in that pose for some time, and then slowly releasing it. Okay, let's begin. Make sure you are not doing it here. How you can know is you can feel pressure here if you are doing it incorrectly. Okay, so that was one thing. Second is the similar version in this case, but something that you might have done in your childhood, so it is kind of funny, but yeah, again the same thing. I'll be pulling in air in my cheeks, and then I am just slowly moving the air from my say right cheek to left and left cheek to right. Okay, so let's see this. So basically what you are doing is you are making faces. In your childhood you have already done this, but actually what is happening inside the cheeks, you are giving oxygen to your cheekbones, your cheek muscles. Okay, so this is one thing. Let's do it once again, and then we'll move to another one. So whatever faces that you have done in childhood, they were actually good for your face. They could give you glowing skin, and you didn't know that. Okay, so that is one thing. What we will be doing is, third one is again going back to our childhood. You have to stick your tongue out. So I'm just going to do that, and this will give your face muscles some kind of relaxation. Okay, I'll be there for maybe 2-3 seconds. Okay, so let's do that. these are so simple exercises. You can do it anywhere, anytime, and nobody has to know. You can do it in your bathroom as well. Okay. The next one, what we are going to do is basically I will be saying O. So what I am going to do is I have to say O. So my facial expressions will be when we say O, and then we go to say E. So basically you can see you are getting exercise to your muscles around your lips. Okay, I'll show you once so that you can get the difference. O and then E. So what I am going to do is O and then E. So if you see the muscles near the lips, so you don't as you age you get to have wrinkles here, fine lines here. So if you are doing these exercises daily, so you can just I know of course as you age it happens, but you make sure if you are doing this daily, you just elongate that process. So let's do that once again. O, E. Okay, there is one more version of this. In this, what we are going to do is basically you'll have to press your lips just like we do whenever we are applying lipstick or maybe lip balm or so, and then you are trying to smile. So your lips will be pressed against each other and you are trying to smile. Again, this will impact in this area. Okay, so I'll do that once again. Okay, so that was it. And then next one is pretty simple. We are just going to do tap on the face. So if you are doing facial regularly, you must be knowing in massage this is the important step. What you are going to do, using your fingers, you will be just tapping on your face, whole face. What this is doing is basically this is just moving your blood. This is improving your blood circulation in your face. In facial, you actually have at least 20 minutes of face massage done, and this is very important step in it. You can do this daily. It's free. You don't have to spend anything. And you see, you're getting. If you do it properly, you'll feel that warmth in your face. It will become warm. Okay, and you will feel relaxed. Actually, you can do this as a quick fix. So suppose if you didn't get chance to maybe sleep properly and you have presentation next day in office, or you have function and you just want to look fresh, this is a quick fix that you can do. Just do this and in no time you'll be looking fresh. Okay, so that was one thing. We'll be doing one more variation in the similar category. It will be like actually we have done this in I guess our eye exercises videos as well. Just rub your palm together, and then we will be placing our palms to the temples. We'll start from there, and then we will be rubbing it, we'll be putting it on the face, entire face. This is the best exercise to be done when you have just woken up in the morning. So when you are in bed, just don't open your eyes. Of course, don't reach out to your mobile phone the first thing in the morning. Do this first. So just rub your palm together, and then I'm keeping it here on my eyes temples, and then to the entire face. Again, you'll feel that your face is becoming warm. The best time to do this is early in the morning, just after you open your eyes in the bed. You don't have to actually open your eyes. You can do it in bed. but you can do it anytime. The best time is, of course, you should be doing it in bed in the morning, and then any time in the day or night. Okay, so that was one thing, and then we'll be going ahead with something yoga pose. It's kind of pranayam as well. So what I am going to do is I am just keeping my hands here on my face. I am covering my face completely, and then I am doing humming sound. What will happen is it will create vibrations, so my face will get the vibrations, and then those vibrations will know if I am doing it correctly. I'll be feeling those vibrations in my hands. What this is doing basically, so this is actually again blood circulation to your face, and all these things, when I'm saying blood circulation and your muscles are relaxed and all those things, these things in turn giving you the glowing skin. Okay, so let's just begin and then I'll talk. Okay, so I have covered my face entirely, and then I have just left my nostrils alone, and then now I am going to start the humming sound. Okay, just humming sound. Okay, so you can feel that vibration here after some time. If you are just beginner, you won't be able to do it for a long time, maybe 2, 3, 4 seconds, but whatever you can do, just keep on repeating. It is advisable that you are doing these exercises as many times as possible throughout the day. This is definitely costing you nothing, and in turn you will be getting that glowing skin. Okay, so that will be all. Thank you once again, Miss Sandhya Sharma. This video was specially for you on your request. So if you have any request to be made, or if you think that you want to have any video, just send me in comments, DM, whatever you're comfortable with. Let me know your feedback and whatever that you want to share with me in the comment section. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share it across your friends and family. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy, stay happy.